Welcome back, guys, for the new video. This is going to be a part 2. In part 2, I'm going to basically assemble all these parts back. So if you guys are doing any repair and maybe you are lost and you don't know how, maybe there's a lot of confusing little thing that if you do it wrong can cause problems, or it may not even close back. So I'm going to show you step by step how you put everything together. In the last video, you saw how I completely, open this entire battery pack. I mean, till the battery level. So here I'm going to show you how you put everything back together. Okay. So again, this is your main housing. So you take your battery, put it like this. No screws, nothing. This is how it slides in. So the very first thing is, again, there are two connectors that goes on your BMS for the battery pack. So this one, which goes like this, you kind of go like, you make it lay down, and then it goes in here. Come on, there you go. That's how this one goes, nice and easy. See how this one is going? It's supposed to just lay down, and this connector goes sideways like that. That's it. That's all it takes. Now you take your fan assembly. Okay, one quick thing before you do the fan assembly, you got to put this puppy back in. Oh, sorry, this one. If you don't do it, I made a lot of mistakes in previous videos when I was doing a repair. So yeah, if you don't do this, then you won't be able to put this later. So you have to plug this puppy first, and it goes like this. So this cord has to be that way, okay? That side. So plug it like this. Yep, like that. This goes like this, nice and easy. Move this cord here. Now you take this fan assembly. Fan goes this way. Now you take it like this, and this cord just kind of goes right under here. You see this little groove here, this area space, that's where these two cords sits right below. So that way it doesn't bother the cord, or doesn't pinch it. Yep, like this, like that. Now you put the 4 screws all around. So screw number 1. Again, I opened this thing literally 10-15 times when I was doing the repair, because I keep making like small mistakes, and I had to keep going back to fix that puppy. All right, nice and easy. This thing is happy. Now the next thing I would like to do is plug your front. Yeah, let me put the front one, which is this assembly, your main screen. So you plug this thing right here. Okay, this one we will do at the last. This side one. This one we do at the end because there are a bunch of wires. So yeah, next thing you do, take your main board like that. All right, move all the cords. Make this puppy sit down. There you go. It fits nice and easy. Yep, once it fit, I would do the screws first because then it won't dance around. There are total 5 screws that goes in there, okay? So number 1 goes right here. Okay. Number 2 goes right here. Right here. Okay, number 3 goes right on this side. Okay. And while I'm here, I guess let me also put this cord. This cord, you just have to, there's a little latch. So you put these black and white cord around it like this, and then this connector goes right here. This is for your AC line. Okay, you do this. And number 4, one goes right inside. It's kind of hidden. It's right under that black, this area, plastic thing. Okay, you go like this. There you go. And number 5 goes in here. Right here. Right here. Hopefully you can see that. It's right here. That is where the fifth one goes. Let me maybe try to zoom, I guess. There you go. Number fifth goes here. I can't even see it. Let's see. There you go. There you go. All right, now let's start the wiring, which is the most confusing. Okay, let's do the wiring part now. Okay, there are two cables that goes, actually three cables that goes to your main front screen. Okay, that's your front screen, your main display or interface, or what they call HMI, human machine interface. The three cable or three connector goes here. So number one, plug like this. Okay, number two is this one that's coming from your battery pack. This line, this goes right here like this, like that. And the third one is right here, which is coming from your main board to right here. So it goes like this. That's it. That is it. Now, yep, everything looks happy here. Yeah, there's one cable I need to plug here. Hopefully you can see. This cable is coming from your AC outlets to your main board, because this is the button that you press. That's where it goes in the main board. Don't get confused, because this is a little confusing. All these two connector cord look same. So your one from the AC outlet goes in the main board, the very first one. It doesn't go in here in your main interface. It goes right here. I know I was kind of confused when I opened the very first time, and that is the whole reason I'm making this video. Yep, there we go. It's plugged in, nice and easy. Now you tuck this puppy in, and then this black thing goes like that. Same on this side, right? Oh yeah, there is another cord for the fan, but your cord goes like this, and then you can put a tape or something later when you're done. So just for the nice airflow. And this is for your fan that you plug right here like that. So this is happy. So we're done here, done here, done here. Now let's do this last piece. This is for your input outlets. So again, first we will plug, I would say, let's do the ground. Oops, that's how I'm supposed to hold. Your ground wire goes, the yellow one, in the middle like this. White wire goes here, which is for your neutral. Ground wire, these yellow will go here. Actually, before we do that, yeah, I guess, yeah. And this is your black and heart. Plug your heart puppy here. And this one is coming from your input, goes to the board like this. Hope you saw it. That's, let me show you. This one goes in here. Black one goes here. White one goes all the way here. Yellow for the ground right here. And yeah, now we can put this puppy slide back in here like that. These two cord thick ones can go right below, so that way they don't really push it. Now this main battery one connects here. There's only one way you can't go wrong, right there. Now this ground one and this ground one, again, we got to remove the screw. Like that. So take a screw on the first one like this, on a second one, and then you close right back up like that. All right, with that being said, I think it's looking pretty good. Everything looking happy. I don't think I missed anything. Nope, that's it. Now we can even quickly plug in the power to test. Yep, fan is kicking, and yes, I know the battery is low, but I'm gonna charge it later. But yeah, here you can see it did pick up the power. Plug this puppy back in, and yeah, now we're gonna take this lid, put this lid back in like that, and now we're gonna take this handle. Make sure this EcoFlow is right main side, like that's the main front side is, and that's how it goes. Now you take this long big screws, tight this puppy. But yeah, I don't have to do it anymore. I mean, now you kind of got the idea. You close this thing, put those silver tab right on the top, and this black one, if you open it, it goes at the bottom. You don't really need to open that because this is just for the extra battery pack. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something new from my video and channel. If you did, do like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. I'm going to make a part 3 where I will be discussing with you step by step how to repair this puppy, because that's a whole reason I bought this thing again from eBay for literally like 50 bucks, not working with parts only. I was able to repair this puppy, and I learned a lot of stuff from this power station, and that is what I'm going to share with you guys, step by step. If something happens to you or you're not able to charge your power station, it's giving you battery, like a red battery icon blinking, and you plug it in, it doesn't charge, it's making beep, and it's turning on and off. It's all battery issues. So I'm going to show you exact process on how you fix it in part 3. So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.